Before we begin, I want you to understand something clearly. This story is designed for learners who are ready to reach B1, not by translating every word, not by stopping every 5 seconds, but by listening actively, trusting context, rhythm, and meaning. If you stay until the end, you'll notice something powerful. You understood more than you thought, and that feeling, that quiet confidence, is what real progress sounds like. Today, we are riding a bicycle along a quiet river path. You will hear movement, water, wind, light, rhythm. You will imagine the landscape. You will follow the motion. And without forcing it, your English will begin to flow the same way the river does. Steady, natural, continuous. I'm standing next to my bicycle at the beginning of a narrow path that follows the river. The morning air feels cool against my skin, and the sky is pale blue with thin clouds stretching across it. The path in front of me is long and quiet, curving gently between trees and tall grass. I place one hand on the handlebars and take a slow breath. The world feels calm, as if it is waiting. I sit on the seat and push one foot against the ground. The bicycle begins to move slowly. The first few seconds feel slightly unsteady, but then my balance settles. I start pedaling gently, and the wheels roll forward with a soft humming sound against the pavement. The river is flowing to my right. I can hear the steady movement of water brushing against rocks. It is not loud. It is constant and low, like a quiet background rhythm. The sunlight reflects on the surface, creating small flashes of silver that disappear as quickly as they appear. I am pedaling at an easy pace. I am not racing anyone. I am not trying to arrive quickly. I am simply moving. The air touches my face and moves through my hair. It feels fresh and clean. Each breath fills my lungs slowly and completely. The trees along the path create patterns of light and shadow on the ground. As I ride through them, the sunlight changes every few seconds. Sometimes my arms are warm in the light. Sometimes they feel cool in the shade. The changes are gentle but constant. I notice the sound of my tires rolling over small cracks in the pavement. The vibration travels lightly through the frame of the bicycle and into my hands. It feels grounding, steady. My legs move in a circular rhythm. Push down, lift, push down, lift. The repetition is calming. A bird suddenly flies across the path in front of me. Its wings move quickly, and then it disappears into the trees. I do not stop. I simply continue riding, watching how the path stretches ahead of me like a soft gray ribbon. The river becomes wider after a few minutes. The water looks slower here, deeper and darker. I see small ripples forming where the wind touches the surface. The tall grass near the edge bends slightly with the breeze. Everything is moving, but nothing feels rushed. I pass a wooden bench facing the river. No one is sitting there. For a moment, I imagine stopping, sitting down, and watching the water. But today, I want to keep riding. The movement feels good. It feels like my thoughts are organizing themselves with every turn of the pedals. I realize that when I ride slowly like this, my mind becomes quieter. Problems that seemed large earlier feel smaller now. The rhythm of the bicycle creates space inside my head. I'm not forcing myself to think. I'm simply observing. Further ahead, the path curves gently to the left. I lean slightly into the curve, feeling the balance shift under me. The tires hold firmly against the ground. The movement feels smooth, almost effortless. The air smells like fresh grass and river water. There's a soft scent of earth warming under the sun. I inhale deeply. The smell feels natural and grounding. It reminds me that I am outside, connected to something larger than my daily routine. A small group of ducks floats near the riverbank. As I pass, they move slowly away from the shore. The water circles around them in quiet waves. I slow down for a moment, watching their calm movements, then continue pedaling forward. The sound of the chain turning around the gears becomes more noticeable when I climb a small hill. My legs press a little harder now. I can feel the effort increasing, but it is not uncomfortable. It feels purposeful. When I reach the top, the path becomes flat again, and I relax my legs. From this slightly higher point, I can see more of the river stretching into the distance. The surface shines under the sun. The sky above looks wider from here. I feel a quiet sense of openness. As I continue riding, I notice how the wind changes direction. Sometimes it pushes gently against my chest. Sometimes it moves from behind me, helping me glide forward more easily. I adjust without thinking. My body responds naturally. The repetition of pedaling becomes almost meditative. My feet move in steady circles. My breathing matches the rhythm. The world around me keeps shifting, light, shadows, reflections, but inside I feel stable. I pass another cyclist coming in the opposite direction. We nod at each other briefly, a silent greeting between strangers sharing the same path. The moment is small but friendly. The sun climbs higher in the sky and the air grows slightly warmer. I can feel a thin layer of warmth on my arms. My back feels relaxed. My hands hold the handlebars lightly, not tense. After a while, I slow down and stop near a quiet part of the river. I place one foot on the ground and remain seated on the bicycle. The water flows steadily beside me. Insects move above the surface. The tall grass sways in slow waves. I'm not thinking about anything specific. I'm simply present. The ride has not been dramatic. Nothing extraordinary has happened, and yet something inside feels clearer. I realize that the simple act of moving forward, slowly and consistently, has changed my mood. The path did not demand anything from me. It only invited me to follow it. After a few quiet minutes, I push off again and begin riding back the way I came. The perspective feels slightly different now. The light has shifted. Shadows are shorter. The river reflects the sky from a new angle. The same path feels new in a subtle way. I notice details I did not see before. A small flower near the edge, a fallen branch resting in the grass, the sound of leaves brushing against one another. When I finally return to the starting point, I slow down gradually and place both feet on the ground. The bicycle comes to a gentle stop. The world is still moving, the river flowing, the wind shifting. But I am standing quietly. I take a final look at the path. It stretches out calmly beside the river, waiting for the next rider. I feel peaceful, steady, and quietly energized. Earlier, I rode my bicycle along a quiet river path. I listened to the water, felt the wind on my face, and watched the sunlight change across the trees. The steady rhythm of pedaling helped my mind slow down and become clearer. The ride was simple, calm, and complete. I smile slightly before turning to leave. In this story, we ride a bicycle along a calm river path in the morning. We describe the sounds of the water, the movement of the wind, the light between the trees, and the rhythm of pedaling. The ride helps the mind become quiet and clear. Nothing dramatic happens, but the simple movement creates peace and balance. In the end, we return to the starting point, feeling calm and steady. If you reach this point and understood the story without translating everything in your head, that means something important. Your brain is starting to process English directly. That is, B1 thinking. Active listening is not about catching every word. It is about trusting the flow, just like riding a bicycle. At first, you feel unsteady. Then balance appears, naturally. Keep training your ear. Keep imagining the scenes. Keep finishing the stories. Because every time you stay until the end, you are not just listening. You are becoming someone who understands. And that is progress you should feel proud of.